The biggest project in the cryptocurrency world, which is known as Pi Network, is said to have migrated over 1 million people to its open mainnet as part of its preparation for launching. Though many pioneers are still been held wanting to finish their KYC verification, even some are yet to get a slot for the KYC. According to Dr. Nicholas, one amongst the initiators of this project and also a Pi Network core team member, he said the Pi Network has a significant growth and the core team are working tirelessly to make it dream and also the dream of all pioneers a reality, that all the necessary mechanisms are already in motion so that this project comes out to be successful. Hello, welcome back to our channel. Kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell. Pi Network is a decentralized peer-to-peer networking platform. The Pi Networks aim to create the world's most comprehensive shared environment and online experience, loaded with Pi. The Pi Network with all its effort has now moved one step closer to being a reality, as it is in an enclosed mainnet and a lot of trading activities is being tested and carried out. Pi Network, on the other hand, has constructed and developed its local region well before sending off the enclosed mainnet blockchain in December 2022. This contrasts with the practices of other blockchains. Since Pi Day, March 14, 2022, the people in the surrounding area have been making various promises to the growth and security of the organization, while at the same time mining Pi on their mobile devices using an innovative mining component that is safe for the ecosystem. About its KYC, which is known as Know Your Customer, is a vital step put in place by the core team to fish out individuals who performing dubious activities on the platform, creating multiple accounts to mine the Pi Network coin. Also, Pi KYC is a one-of-a-kind, restricted method that achieves secure, versatile, and expert KYC by combining machine robotization with publicly supported, hyperlocal human confirmation. Pi KYC, it was conceived because existing external market structures lacked the flexibility, financial openness, and global reach required in the modern business environment. Soon after, the transition of more than 1 million pioneers to the mainnet, which was successfully completed because of the Pi KYC arrangement, which made it possible, and also aided by more than 649,000 human validators in 224 countries or districts who have KYC over 2 million pioneers. According to Dr. Nicholas Kokalis, Pi Network's founder and head of technology, one of the incredible initiatives for Pi Network to follow through on the goal of decency, inclusion, and transparency was Pi Network's local KYC arrangement, emancipated from fiat cost for all pioneers. On the mainnet, pioneers will get compensation for the continued commitments they have made to the organization's growth and safety in exchange for their participation. Because the company needs more varied and all-encompassing commitments associated with application use, hub engagement, and Pi lockup, the Trailblazer incentives are going to be increased even further. For the high end of our Pi cryptocurrency value projection to come true, however, it is crucial to have a firm grasp on the idea that a sizable number of apps will need to be launched on the network. Therefore, it is crucial that you fully grasp this reality. It is of the utmost importance to grasp this reality. An example sentence: consequently, it is crucial to have a firm grasp on this truth. Therefore, knowing the specifics of your current situation is really helpful. It's necessary to cite this again. Additionally, the company is making significant efforts to eliminate the obstacles that have prevented an increasing number of applications from being processed. Due to these obstructions, the organization has been unable to accept applicants. The purpose of the ongoing work on Know Your Customer, KYC, is to ensure that the overall KYC goals are met, allowing genuine pioneers to pass KYC as correctly and securely as is across a wide range of nations and locations, while simultaneously prohibiting as many phony accounts as possible. Two of the many facets of the work being done are scaling and letting individuals through. Scaling is just one component of the work that is now being done, along with facilitating passage for persons and making it possible for them to do so. Scaling is only one component of this undertaking. A second of its components is allowing people to pass through. We are excited to continue growing this incredible neighborhood, and we invite new pioneers to join what will soon be the highest performing crypto-enabled informal organization on the face of the globe. Maybe the cryptocurrency industry will start to rebound and recover this 2023. Pi's coin price is likely to increase in tandem with market growth, suggesting it might hit new highs in 2023. There is a lot of buzz about cryptocurrencies in general, and that should help the Pi currency. It's easy to use, mining it doesn't cost anything, and Pi is somehow involved. The team's advertisement on Pi Day is likely to be tremendously effective if the excitement hits in the early spring of 2023. Predictions about Pi coin's future value should also take into account the coin's potential as an attractive investment and adoption option for enterprises. That's all for now. Don't forget to support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell. Thank you and see you in our next video.